All right, so this is the Mac installation instructions for getting a command line or terminal up and running on your machine. And it's actually going to be really quick because if you have a Mac, you don't actually need to install anything. So let's go over to my Mac. Here's all my top secret files on the desktop. And out of the box, all Macs actually come with a terminal. So you can find it using Command Space to open up Spotlight and just type terminal and open that up. And this is our terminal. Yours might look a little bit different. It will obviously have some different information up here and here, but this is a terminal out of the box. You can spend time changing colors and fonts and all of that up in preferences, but I'm going to leave mine with a white background. And this is our terminal. So you can type something, just type some gibberish and hit enter. We get an error because that's not a valid command, but that's fine. You can try running a valid command like ls or pwd, which we'll cover in the next video, and you should see something. Again, this is specific to my machine, but you should see something at least. Now, I did mention that you can install an additional command line. There's one called iterm that a lot of people like to use. It really just gives you some additional functionality and also some additional choices when it comes to preferences and styling and colors and all of that. So it's called iterm. You can go to iterm2.com and all you have to do is click on download. So don't get caught up in this at this point, but if you're someone who does like to customize things, this allows you to do more customization than the default out-of-the-box terminal. But you do not need to install it. In fact, in this course, I'm just going to use the plain old vanilla terminal just to remove any possible confusion. But a lot of my students in the past have really liked iterm2, and it's free, of course, and there's some good documentation. But all you need to do is download it and then open it up. I have it here, and it just gives me a window, and I can do the exact same thing. Type my commands, and make this bigger, hit enter, and I get the same result. So just two different ways, two windows into the same exact thing. All right, so that's it. Very simple installation video because, well, you don't really have to install anything.